So I just wanted to get on here to show you a little bit about the sign painting class that I'm having this Saturday. And first I'm going to show you the wood that we'll be painting the signs on. So these are the square ones. You have an option of these square ones, these circular ones, and then I also brought out some of these long ones. I did one last year with Joy down it for Christmas, which really you could do that any time of year. And then we've got this. I'm just making sure that I'm recording. So yeah, I've got these stamps. These are IOD stamps, which is Iron Orchard Designs, and they have lovely stamps. So with these, you can ink them up and use them that way, or you can take a brayer with some paint and then just roll on the back of them and stamp with them with paint. Either paint or stamp ink works fine. Here's the other one. It's got letters and numbers and lowercase letters. All right, and then I've got a few more stamps by IOD. There's those ones. And the other 100 videos I just made, I used this so that you can see them better. Okay, so there's that. I don't remember which ones I've showed now. There's this one. And then there's this one, which also has farm animals and flowers. Very cute. And then I also have these smaller letters, if you wanted to put like a lot on here. Okay, so those are the stamps. And then after that, we have the stencils. So here are the stencils. There's this one, this one, we'll just throw them on the floor at this point because they're just all sliding off the table onto the floor. So why not? They're okay. They're protected. Voila. There's that. Sorry, y'all. I'm having a real difficult day today. But like I said, I'm just going to keep on going because it's all I can do. It's all I can do. Whew. All right. So there's those. Shake it off. Okay. Then here's these stencils. This is a whole pack of a bunch of different stencils. So there's farmer's market, general store, flea market, antiques. In this kitchen, we sit too long, talk too much, and laugh often. Cabin, sweet cabin. A man cave one, welcome to the barn. Laundry, bakery, porch, lake life, all kinds of fun stuff. So there's that. Then on this one, we have more really cool ones. We've got some really cute home ones. I love this one. It says together we have it all, and I just like that design. It's pretty. Stay a while. That one's super cute too. Bless all who gather here. I love that. Begin each day with grace and gratitude. I try. I do. Okay. And then here's some that are super cute. Got some farmhouse. We've got Seize the Day. We've got Beautiful Inside and Out. We've got some boats, anchors, fish, sea stuff. We got some wild animals, bear, deer, elk, wolf, mountains. I like that one. It says wild and free. There's a fox. There's a cute one that's for kitties. This one says furry friends are the best friends, and it's got kitty cats and then paws. And then this one says a true friend leaves footprints on your heart, and it's got doggies. And then there's some more letters and stuff like that. Okay, so there's that. Let's see. All right, next. I know it's too early for Christmas. I know it's too early for fall for some people, but there's no harm in making holiday signs for yourself or to give as gifts. So here's an example of the ones that are in this little thing. And I just have a piece of cardstock behind each one. But there's a lot of really cute ones in here. Whoops, I don't know why I'm showing them all the way over there. Doo-dee-doo. This one's super cute. I did this one last year. I did actually a lot of these ones last year, and I sold a good bit of them. Okay, so there's that. And then there's also, I don't even really need to open this one because the preview is right there of the ones that you can choose from there. And I just have these in the scrapbook sleeves. They fit perfect. Okay, what else? So here is a wood round that's just painted white, blank. If you have a very good imagination, you can think of something cool on that. Here's one that I did today that I thought was super cute. Okay, so there's that one. And then there's this one that I did last year, or not last year, a couple months ago, when I was having a little paint thing. Okay. And then there's this one that I did yesterday. I stained it and then did this, well, I did the strip of white. I taped it off, did the strip of white, and then moved the tape and did the stain. And then once it's all dry, then I go over that and put a name there. That is not my last name. It's just what fit best and a popular name. So once I'm done using this for an example or whatever, I can sell it. There's a lot of people with the last name Smith. Including my sister-in-law, my sister and brother-in-law. All right, and then there's this one that I did yesterday. No, I did this today. And it looked kind of boring to me, so I put some of this twine around there. I'm just trying to see how I like that. But I actually, with this one and this one, I might go to the Dollar Tree and get some black and white, like striped or checkered thin ribbon and put it here and see how that looks. Class it up a little bit. There's that. And then I've got all of these. They're makeup brushes, but I use them for stenciling with ink or with the paint. Works great both ways. Here is all of the paint. Most of this is chalk paint or matte paint. Let's see. A good variety of colors. This is Dixie Belle Gel Stain, so it's non-toxic, no or low smell. And then I've got this Folk Art Antiquing Medium. I've got this Waverly Antiquing Wax. And then the colors that I have are just so pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is just Snow White. My favorite color that I've been using lately has been a Adirondack White. It's just a little warmer. And then this one is Vintage. Very pretty. Let's see. Did I show you this one? This is one of my favorites, this sage color. I like that a lot. And then there's a bunch of little ones in there too. So I think I've showed you everything. I also have tons of acrylic paint, which you can also use. I think that's it. So let me know which sign you think that you would do. These long ones, a round one, or a square one. And let me know if you would do like a seasonal one, like one of the fall or Christmas or Thanksgiving, or if you would rather use the letter stamps and make your own customizable sign. But anyway, yeah, just let me know in the comments what you like best. And if you can't make it to this class Saturday, then I'm going to be having more paint sign classes. My brain is so tired today. More sign painting classes. And I also have a mixed media class coming up next Saturday that you can sign up for. And I'm going to be having art journaling classes and a lot more fun classes. So be checking out my page and look for those events. And let me know if you have any questions. I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.